dragon, have you? Right, come on, we'll live over to the quiz bit.
Hanging out here for a few moments, just waiting for the all clear to head in from the warden. These couple of trucks up ahead of us here are going to get it first, so we'll pull it up, wait just a little bit longer for our own. So while we do, feel free to take a look up above your
true love, but full of frozen heart.
That was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, take those.
Excellent!
Oye.
And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course. Hey, what's going on here? What?
You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right.
Under my control.
Just gets better and better.
Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. And you won't escape it.